Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Fame Frequency Party series continues to outdo itself weekly. The event was held over the weekend, themed Soca versus Dancehall, and was the right blend of Caribbean's two most popular sounds. The event trended on social media as fans had a blast posting their preferred choice between the two genres. Fame Frequency guest dancers' dance expressions added the right amount of festivity, with the Soca ladies stunningly adorned in carnival wings. Zoomers are also on trend with the theme, as people were dressed in their short shorts and added their own carnival flair. Female artists of both genres were highlighted in a special segment. The ladies of dancehall were represented courtesy of music stalwart Fame 95 FM's Arif Supercoup Cooper, alongside dancehall DJ and music producer from Hits 92 FM, DJ Tropical.
Me no depend but nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me off to spend it cause I feel me money.
Yeah.
Depend but nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me off
It's independent for you right now.
Known as Soca DJs King Taj and Bloodline Franco, both of Fame 95 FM represented the females of Soca. However, it was the 90s soca and dancehall hits that capped off the night, as critics have long argued that the 90s was one of the best eras for dancehall. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.